I think they just barely fit in the door. One at a time in there now. Hi, babies. Yeah. Purple boy. Purple's in the middle there. I don't know if I got everybody. That's red girl. Right here. It's hard to get them. They're trying to come and eat the camera. Some of them. That's black. Brown over there trying to demolish the house. Purple. It's gonna come down. There it goes. Oh goodness. We're gonna have to put that away and save it for another little litter when they're smaller. What do we have over here? Here's a little burgundy boy. And get a drink of water. And there's blue. Hey, Blue. You gonna look at the camera?